voltmeter on eBay. Actually, pretty good deal. This is only cost me like $40 US. Surprising because this was made in 1930. But when we cracked it open, just discovered that it's basically an ammeter with it's only like less than 10 milliamp deflection, and it's just like had big resistors on the end. So,
but originally it was like 300 volts.
Yeah, because they just had big resistors on the end. So basically, so that was part of it, just working out what this meter actually did, and then the other part was just I installed OpenWRT on this router and soldered in a serial port and just got it talking to an Arduino, which is basically just sending out bandwidth information on a per second basis as a number via a serial port to the Arduino, and then that just converts it onto the a signal, an actual voltage that goes through some resistors and gives me a nice current. So yeah, just had quite a lot of fun with this. It wasn't. I think the part of the most painstaking thing was actually trying to do this, the scale, because of course I figured there had to be a log scale to make sense. So.
That's really cool. So you actually had to do some log calculation also to this output data.
Arduino has a log library.
Yeah, that's a good thing. It's really awesome. And was it really hard to modify the OpenWRT to get the?
Well, right now this is really just running as a shell script, so it can only update once a second. But I do want to take a look at doing something lower level, and so I did it over serial port. There's also an I2C port inside, so if you not I2C port, but the GPIOs you can use for I2C. So
that's really cool. Like so for example, like right now this is.
That's only 10.
10 kilobit. Yeah.
So 10 kilobits.
10 kilobits. That's 100.
Like run a speed test.
Yeah. Try. Actually, speed test doesn't use that much bandwidth. Use YouTube or something.
But yeah, you should.
You tried using a speed test and it.
Yeah, you should. See
really?
that, yeah.
Okay. Wow. So 1 megabit.
But you can already see you opening that website.
That's really cool. So you're saying that this is going once a second, right?
Down. That's cute.
It's updated once a second?
It's only updating once a second. That's why it keeps ticking back and forth. Like,
why does it drop down to 0 though?
That's a good question.
Oh, you're using the speed test. Oh, okay.
That's really satisfying.
Danger.
Oh, it matches up to what it says on the computer. That's
downloading your hard drive.
Of course, it's only.
Okay.
It's
that's
only
really
download
awesome.
only.
Cool.